Hello everyone, today we are comparing Telus and Shaw Internet, two leading internet service providers. So Telus is known for its fiber optic internet service offering high-speed connection and reliable performance across its extensive network, while Shaw Internet, on the other hand, provides a range of internet plans with competitive pricing and widespread availability. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performances, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Telus and Shaw Internet, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison, and as you can see, when it comes to connection types, Telus offers fiber, which is a fixed wireless connection type, while Shaw offers cable and it is a hybrid fiber cable connection types. So when it comes to speeds offered, Telus offer up to 3 Gbps of connection speed while Shaw offers up to 1 Gbps. So when it comes to coverage, Telus is available on British Columbia, Alberta, and Quebec. They offers connection to there, while Shaw offers the same thing, British Columbia and Alberta. And when it comes to contracts, Telus offers 24 months contract while Shaw has no contract and the prices is locked for 2 years. So yes, that's it. So that's it for the key features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing comparison, and let's start with Telus pricing. So Telus has three plan names. So it is a Pure Fiber 300, and the other one is a Pure Fiber 940, and lastly Pure Fiber X 3G. So when it comes to download speeds, Pure Fiber 300 offers 300 Mbps, and Pure Fiber 940 offers 940 Mbps of download speed. And the Pure Fiber X 3G offers a download speed of 3000 Mbps or 3 Gbps. So yes, that's it. So when it comes to upload speed, Pure Fiber 300 offers 300 Mbps. The Pure Fiber 940 offers 940 Mbps. Same thing with Pure Fiber X3G, they offer 3000 Mbps. So when it comes to monthly fee, Pure Fiber 300 offers it for $80 per month. Pure Fiber 940 offers for $100 per month, while the Pure Fiber X3G offers $115 per month. So when it comes to contract term, Pure Fiber 300 does no contract, while the Pure Fiber 940 and the Pure Fiber X3G has 24 months of contract term. So yes, that's it for the pricing of Telus. So now let's go directly to the Shaw Internet pricing. So Shaw Internet has three plan names. So this is a Fiber Plus 300, Fiber Plus 750, and Fiber Plus Gig. So when it comes to download speed, Fiber Plus 300 offers 300 Mbps. The Fiber Plus 750 offers 750 Mbps, while the Fiber Plus Gig offers 1000 Mbps. So when it comes to upload speed, all plans has fixed speed, which is 100 Mbps of upload speed. So that's it. And when it comes to monthly fee, Fiber Plus 300 is $80 per month, and the Fiber Plus 750 is $100 per month, while the Fiber Plus Gigabyte is $110 per month. So yes, that's it. So when it comes to contract term, as you can see or as you know from the features, they don't have any contract terms. So yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. Now let's go to the performance comparison. So when it comes to latency, Telus has lower latency and it is beneficial for gaming and video calls, while Shaw has slightly higher latency compared to Telus. So when it comes to data caps, Telus offers unlimited data caps, while Shaw has unlimited also, but for an extra $20 per month of your monthly fee. So when it comes to contract terms, as you know, they don't have any contract, but they have a 24 months for higher tiers, while Shaw has generally no contract and they have month-to-month options available. So lastly, when it comes to technology, Telus offers fiber optic network or pure fiber, while Shaw offers cable network or fiber plus, transitioning to fiber in some areas. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer support. When it comes to overall satisfaction rating, Telus is 4.5 over 5 while Shaw is 4 out of 5. So when it comes to technical support availability, so both Telus and Shaw is 24/7 available. So yes, that's it. When it comes to response time, Telus is fast while Shaw is moderate. And lastly, for support channels, both Telus and Shaw has phone, chat, email, support channels. So yes, that's it. So they're almost the same on customer support. So now we're done with key features, pricing, customer support, and performance comparison. Now let's go with the pros and cons. And when it comes to Telus pros, Telus offers speeds up to 3 Gbps, which is ideal for heavy internet users and large households. They provides fiber optic network, which is generally faster and more reliable than cable. They have a wider coverage. They are available in more regions, including Quebec. And lastly, they have higher upload speeds, beneficial for content creators and remote workers. So when it comes to cons, Telus is generally more expensive than Shaw, especially for the higher speed plans, and they have fewer options for lower speed plans, which might not cater to those with minimal internet needs. So yes, that's it with the Telus pros and cons. So now let's go to the Shaw internet pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Shaw Internet has lower starting price for their plans, making it more accessible for budget-conscious users. And their prices are locked in 2 years without a contract, providing price stability. And lastly, they offers a hybrid network that can provide a stable and fast internet speeds. So that's it for the Shaw Internet Pros. So when it comes to cons, Shaw Internet maximum speed offered is only 1 Gbps, which is lower than Telus 3000 Mbps. And also, they have lower upload speeds compared to Telus, which might not be sufficient for uploading large files. So yes, that's it for the Shaw Internet pros and cons. So that's it. We're done with the pros and cons. So now let's start discussing which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing which should choose Telus. So Telus is preferable for those who need an ultra-fast internet speed for activities like gaming, streaming in 4K, or large file transfer. For customers looking for the reliability and speed consistency of a fiber optic network, for families with many devices connected simultaneously requiring more bandwidth, for individuals who need a high upload speed for video conferencing or uploading content, and last, for people living in areas where Shaw doesn't provide services such as Quebec. So if you have all of this quality, I recommend that you choose Telus. So yes, that's it. So for the people who should choose Shaw Internet is preferable for those who are looking for more affordable options and a lower starting price for internet service. It's perfect for customers who use internet for browsing social media and moderate streaming. For individuals who prefer not having a long contract term but still want a price stability for a couple of years. And lastly, for those who live in regions where Shaw offers its services and seeks a hybrid fiber network. So yes, if you have all of this quality, Shaw Internet is the best platform for you. So yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both Telus and Shaw offers competitive internet services that cater to different needs. Telus stands out with its high-speed fiber network, making it an excellent choice for power users and large households. And on the other hand, Shaw offers a more budget-friendly option with its hybrid fiber cable network, suitable for moderate internet users. So choosing the right provider depends on your specific requirements, such as speed, budget, and the type of internet activities you engage in. So it's essential to consider the pros and cons of each service and how they align with your internet usage patterns. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this helped you choose the correct option for you. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.